So Sean, how many times have you done this? Like measured out a rail?
Countless.
A lot. There's several different style steps. This is triangular. It used to be a wedding cake, which is rounded in the corner, but we ended up going with triangular steps here. They're flat, so you have the nice trim tile on the edge here, the blue trim tile to let people know that, you know, hey, there's a step there. But right here, you're coping 16 inches, and then in this case, the anchor's way back here. If you were to put the anchor here, it'd crack in the concrete, or up close this way. So putting it back further is the best way to do it. So putting the trim tile on a triangular step's a lot easier than a radius wedding cake style step. It's a lot more work because you have to fill in more concrete. It's easier to form for the concrete. Code is minimum 21 inches, maximum 24 from the corner to there, and then 1 foot each way. And it can only be a maximum of 1 foot on each tread as well. Here, we're at 21 and a half, plenty, because you can only be between 3 inches and 5 inches for your handrail there. And there has to be a certain height going down, 28 inches to the top of the rail to 36. If your steps were to come out on the side of the pool there, makes it a lot easier. You could just use a 4-foot standard dimension handrail and be done with it. But when they're in the corner like this, you have to get a custom handrail that has the flat part up here. And this is the order form there. And you fill in those measurements.